today I'm going to show you one of my newest wizardry tricks. Did you know that if you drink lava from a volcano and you survive it, that you become volcanic? Meaning you can shoot lava out of your mouth? No? Check this out. I'm gonna drink some lava from a volcano right here, right now. What are you supposed to be doing? Whoa!
Whoa!
Lava, huh?
Yeah.
Lava.
Whoa!
Oh my God, he's actually.
Is it hot?
That's good though.
Better?
Yes. Yes.
We good?
Yeah.
That's about an inch. A little more? Good?
Yeah.
All right. What? Before I did an experiment already, and we're going to turn it into a double experiment of the green lava lamp. So do you guys want to do green again? Or should we do... Since we're making lava, we should go red, huh?
Yeah.
Three. 4. 5. 6.
Let me know when I stop.
Stop. It's totally not lotto.
All right. Huh. Is the next step what I think it is? Now you need some magic. Okay, everybody stand up. You need some magic to make this lava go into life, give it life. I ain't telling you what the magic is. Shh. Remember what happens when you ruin my side experiment? Shh. Need some magic. Need some magic. So repeat after me. Abra. Can you get a zoom in as it happens? Cadabra. Turn this color and water into a pata de cabra. That's a goat's feet, but it didn't rhyme. I didn't have anything rhyming in English, so I had to say that. Okay? And boom! Give it life. I'm giving it life. Look at that. Look at the lava lamp. It's moving. It's alive. Whoa! Whoa! You guys doubted me. Look at that. Ooh, lava. Lava. Everybody, you have to say it with me. Lava! Look at this. So now when you go to Sharper Image or one of the stores, oh my God, and you see a lava lamp, you know you can make one at home just for a little bit of magic. Water and oil. Because what nobody ever is gonna know what my secret. Huh? Oh.
I knew it was something.
Pretty cool, huh? You guys like that?
Yeah. Make another one.
See the lava lamp? So okay, now it comes to the next experiment. Let's put. You guys have fun?
Yeah!
Best experiments ever, right?
Yeah!
I've been working on my alchemy. Put the camera on the man.